Down here on the bayou, we got some high hills down here. Blocks the cell phone signal. You don't get any internet down here unless you've got a satellite system. And no interruptions by phone calls. Let me get past the wood pile here. We've got a lot of wood. We've got a high hill or two down here. They're not mountains. They're just high hills. Very high hills. I don't know if you can tell how high these hills are, but they block the cell phone signals. Very high hill. Even higher in some places. Very high hill. That one right there is about 60 or 70 feet tall, and it has all these trees on top of it. You don't get much in the way of a cell phone signal down here. You don't get any internet unless you got a satellite system. I just want you folks to see it. The hills are pretty high and they're covered with trees. There's a certain person told me, just don't cut down all the trees. I don't think she realizes how many trees are down here in the south. And how high these hills are. That one there's about 75 feet high and got trees all over the top of it. A lot of trees down here. You got a satellite system, you can get internet. Otherwise, you don't. It's been raining down here the past few days. I'm gonna go around this way. There's a lot of trees down here. We're not gonna cut down trees. You see how high the trees are. We got wood stacked up though. We got a lot of wood stacked up. A lot of wood stacked up here. One row here goes up to there. Another row here comes up to my waist. The other one comes up chest high. We got a lot of wood stacked up here. 6 rows of this stacked up here. I think the man has enough wood. See if I can get through here. We've got some more stacked up and scattered out. So I think he's well prepared to stay warm. We got to build a place to put all this wood to keep it protected from the weather. I appreciate everybody watching. I love the comments that everybody makes. We got a pine tree standing here. It goes way up there. Way up there. A lot of trees out in the back of it too. I appreciate everybody watching these things. I love the comments that y'all make on it. Thank you all for watching. Bye, everybody.